A pleasant good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosel Macalalan. I am 35 years old. I live in Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I am a mother of three children. My eldest daughter is 16 years old. My second son is 12 years old. And my youngest son is 8 years old. I am a full-time housewife now who take care of my three children. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and listening the music. And my expertise are doing household, take care of children, newborn babies, and elderly. My work experience are caretaker from January 2020 up to February 2023. I work as a housemaid who serve a couple and two children, preparing and cook their foods, washing clothes, and cleaning the house. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn and save money for the future of my children. To my future employer, please select me as your housemaid because I am hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and willing to learn the task. I will promise to be a good helper or housemaid, and I will follow all your rules and regulations inside your house. I am looking forward to work with you, ma'am and sir. Thank you.